Cloud Access Security Broker or CASB sits between a cloud customer and a cloud application and provide identity and access management services. So it is a defense in depth strategy for usage of cloud services. However, organization still needs the traditional firewalls or intrusion prevention systems. So it is not a replacement for firewalls, rather it augments them. Now I will discuss certain functions provided by CASB and also the types or deployment models. So first function is the visibility. So CASB monitors the users and the devices which accesses the cloud services. So it monitors the usage of cloud resources by different devices and users of your organization. And it can also identifies any shadow IT assets. So overall, it provides visibility into users and devices and all the IT assets of your organizations which are using the cloud services. The second thing is the compliance. So it provides compliance to the regulations, for example, the HIPAA or PCI DSS or GDPR. The third function is the threat protection. So CASB provides user and entity behavior analytics, which is a control to detect the insider threat. And it can also provide the antivirus services or threat intelligence. And furthermore, it can also integrate with security and event management systems to alert the organizations if any violation or security offense happens with regards to the cloud services which this organization uses. And last function is the data security. So an organization can implement and enforce the policies and also implement the standardized access control for usage of cloud services. And CASB can also implement single sign-on for accessing all the cloud services of an organization. And it also provides the leakage protection against leakage of data by implementing data leakage prevention or data loss prevention solutions. Furthermore, CASB can also provide key escrow services. So the data will be hosted on the cloud service which relates to an organization, but the cloud service provider will not have the encryption key of that data, and this encryption key will reside with the CASB. Now, coming over to the deployments or types of CASB. So, first deployment type is forward proxy, or it can be an agent based where agents are deployed or installed on each and every endpoint of an organization. So this deployment is in line where these agents inspect and monitors all the usage of cloud application by that endpoint. So for that you may need to install the digital certificate on all endpoints, and these certificates will be used to establish encrypted traffic from endpoints till that CASB solution. so that CASB can monitors that particular endpoint. One advantage of agent-based deployment is that you can implement antivirus and data leakage prevention solutions on the endpoints. However, you may have the issues with regards to the scalability since you have to deploy agents on all the endpoints. And also, there could be a performance degradation on the endpoints due to usage of resources by the agent. The second deployment type is reverse proxy. So it is agentless and it also monitors actively the usage of cloud services. So this deployment is on premises, hardware or software based, and it can also be integrated with the existing identity management solution of your organization. So this deployment is scalable since you do not need to deploy the agents on each and every endpoint. However, there could be compatibility issues with regards to the client to server applications. Now, the last deployment type is API or application programming interface based, and this is also agentless, and this is passive deployment. So, the CASB solution monitors the traffic passively, and in the first two deployments, these were active monitoring by CASB solution. However, this is out of band monitoring. So one advantage is that this deployment is independent of the device or the location of the user, and any device or any location can be used to access the cloud services. So this deployment is scalable. However, there is one limitation that not all the cloud uh, applications or services have the APIs which can be integrated with CASB solutions so that CASB can act as a security broker. So this was all. Thank you.